This is our Ellijay facility. It took me a little while to get Gerald to look at this building, but when we finally did, we turned it into a very nice training environment. We have a large classroom, we have a small classroom in back, but what you're looking at is the large classroom where we would hold our CWI training. And again, we don't put the room full. We use that room for no more than 35 people. So that's, again, a good training facility. You might also want to notice the tables, the way they're arranged in an L shape, to give you more tabletop room to spread out the working things that you'll be dealing with.
And back before the virus days, we've had as many as 75 people in that room, one table per person. So we've made a few adjustments to adjust for the obvious things that have taken place in the last couple of years.
Now this is the layout that we have for our practical part B week, the second part of it. There's our training samples and we have our tools laid out. As you can see, that having that extra table on the side is very beneficial when you're going to be working with a book of exhibits and a Part B specification, as well as a test booklet and an answer sheet. So I think this is the best arrangement that you could find anywhere. If you're dealing with tables in a school or in a hotel or convention center, they're not near this size, are they? If you've been there, you know that. There's very little room on those tables to work with.
And incidentally, too, you don't have to share those replicas with anybody around you. We have enough for everybody to have a whole set of everything per person. And that's a plus. We've seen people having to shuffle stuff around, and in the old days we might have had more people, and we've had to do that too, maybe one or two times, but not anymore.